Hi everyone. Tomorrow is Palm Sunday, and at St. Matthew's Anglican Church in Escort, we like to make palm crosses, which we will use tomorrow at the Palm Sunday service. It's appropriate to use palm because Jesus entered Jerusalem and was surrounded by crowds waving palm fronds. Now, palm crosses are quite easy to make. So all you need is a palm leaf and a pair of scissors. So what you do is you cut the end of the palm leaf, one side, and appropriately the other side as well, so that you've got a leaf about that long. Then you tear the leaf in half, like that, and you can remove the central vein, like that. Now, the trick. You take your left hand and you put the left leaf in front of the right leaf. You bend it over towards the back and the right leaf over towards the back as well, so that you've got that shape. Now you take the bottom leaf, fold it up so that you've got that shape. Now you take this leaf, fold it behind, and bring it all the way around through the front like that, and you make a knot like that. Now you have a knot in your palm leaves. So what you do now is you take this one and you fold it in on itself and put it through the knot like that. Then you are now going to make the short arm of the cross. So you fold it behind and tuck it in, and then adjust the length of the short arm of the cross. Now you are going to make the long arm of the cross. This leaf, and you put it through the back, pull it up, that, until you have a palm cross. And that's all it is. Happy Palm Sunday, everyone.